This is Think and Grow Rich Part 6. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Imagination is the mental factory where desires are shaped into plans and fortunes. But Napoleon Hill draws an important line. There are two kinds of imagination, synthetic and creative, and both matter for turning ideas into wealth. Synthetic imagination is the arranger. It takes existing facts, experiences, and concepts and recombines them into something new. Think of a chef who blends recipes from different cultures to invent a best-selling dish, or an entrepreneur who merges the convenience of a smartphone with a payment system to spark mobile banking. Those successes didn't come from inventing electricity, they came from reshuffling what already existed into a novel service people wanted. Creative imagination is different. It's the originator. It's the spark that brings genuinely new concepts into the world, often appearing as sudden insight or a fresh way of seeing a problem. It's the quiet moment when a solution surfaces after days or even years of wrestling with a challenge. Creative imagination feels like inspiration, and while it can't be forced, it can be invited through openness and preparation. How do ideas become wealth? First, imagination produces the idea either by rearranging known elements or by birthing something new. Then, you test and refine it using faith, persistence, and specialized knowledge. Next, you form a definite plan and take decisive action. Finally, you persuade others, customers, partners, investors to join you. Wealth follows when the imagined idea meets market need and consistent execution. Concrete examples and takeaways you can use today. Practice synthetic imagination. List 3 industries you know, then write 5 ways to combine elements from them. That will train you to spot fresh opportunities. Invite creative imagination. Spend undistracted time on a single problem, then step away and sleep on it. Solitude, daydreaming, and varied input often trigger breakthroughs. Capture every idea. Keep a voice memo or pocket notebook. An idea isn't useful until it's recorded and acted upon. Prototype quickly. Transform a concept into a simple, testable version. Feedback refines imagination into a sellable product. Use a mastermind. Share ideas with trusted peers to amplify both synthetic and creative thinking. Imagination isn't fantasy. It's methodical, mental labor. The workshop where wealth is first conceived, then hammered into reality. Next, we learn how to convert those imagined ideas into a step-by-step plan in Part 7, Organized Planning.